In this video, I'm going to show you how to replay in cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up a chart where you want to replay. So for this example, I'm using Euro USD. And then you want to go to the right over here where you can see like a bunch of different buttons. And then this one at the very bottom is the market replay button. So you want to click on that. And then from here, you can basically select the date on which you want to start your replay. So as you can see at the bottom, it's displaying the date in like the gray box. So I'm just going to start, for example, let's say over here, I'm going to click and it's going to say market replay cTrader. And then over here, you can start with your starting capital, so you can go ahead and type that in. You can select your start date, for which in this case I'm going to select the 1st of February, and then of course you can also select your start time. I'm going to do 12 o'clock, and then here of course you can do data. You have either tick data from server or M1 bars from server. Okay, so up to you. And then the speed by default, usually it's like this. You can leave it like that. You will be able to change this in a few seconds, and then simply click on start. Sometimes it's going to have to load historical data, and when it does that, there we go, it's going to open up your market replay. Now it's already replaying, as you can see here on my screen. I'm going to full screen this so we can see better. There we go. And now to navigate this kind of replay section within cTrader, it's actually very convenient. So up top over here, you first have the pause button. So if I click on the pause button, it's going to basically just pause the entire replay. Okay, if I click on play again, you can see it's going to go on and of course continue. Now this button here will basically stop it, which will essentially kind of restart it from the beginning. So if you want to do that, you can do that. This one will fast forward one bar or candle, whatever you want to call it. So if you click on that, it's going to fast forward one singular bar, just like this. And then this one here will add a timestamp over here on the right, as well up here, as well as up here on your kind of timeline. Okay, so of course these are kind of all the things you can do. If you want to delete these timestamps, you can hover over them, press delete on your keyboard, and they're gonna get deleted. Okay, now this line over here is basically kind of your timeline, and you can see if you hover over it, you can see the dates, you can basically see the time, etc. And you could go ahead and of course drag it, and it's going to hop to that specific point in time. Okay, or in history in that case. Now usually it's going to take a few seconds to actually start loading. Then when you start playing again it's going to take, there we go, a few seconds, and it started playing again. On the top right here, you can see your date and time you're currently on, as well as your speed. So if I play it like this now, this is kind of the default speed. I could go and make it slower, of course, then it's going much slower. Or of course I can make it like a very slow, or even I can make it as fast as I want. So like this, as you can see, it's skipping through very fast. It's actually quite hard to follow, so make sure you put it to a speed where you're comfortable operating on. Now down here you can also see a few other things. So here at the bottom you have like your positions. So if you want to open any positions within the replay mode, you can do that. Here on the right you have your orders. You can do like buys and sells over here, limits, stop limit, whatever you want. You have quantities, market range, etc. So you can pretty much simulate your trading with stop losses, take profits, and comments as well. Then if I, for example, place the order here, there we go, I can just go and now play again. There we go, it's now still going through, and then over here it's going to show me the pips, the gross, net, etc. And then of course I can go and stop again, for example sell, there we go. And yeah, that's essentially how you use and how you replay in cTrader. And of course whenever you're done, you can just exit this window by clicking on this X button top right, and there we go, it's going to take you back into your cTrader dashboard. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.